World Cup fever has officially hit Squad Quads Towers. Boy Wonder FPV and I are here in the studio today, and we have these incredible flags on display on the table. Thank you, Boy Wonder, for making the flags and for drawing them. I think they're a professional standard. I'm sure everybody will agree with it. The rules of the predictor are very, very simple. I'm going to fly this TinyWhoop. I'm going to wear these goggles, and I'm going to leave this camera on so that you can see at all times I am wearing the goggles, which means as I'm flying forward, I can't see down, and I'm going to randomly disarm and hit one of the flags. Let me show you. So I've randomly disarmed and I've landed in this instance on Germany, which means Boy Wonder will come along with a pen and we'll put a big cross through Germany, which means Germany are then eliminated. The last man standing is who we predict will win the World Cup. Drop a comment down below now, see who you think we're going to predict. We've got the 8 favourites in front of us and we're going to make some chaos. Let's freaking go.
Well, try not to hit yourself, Alan.
France are eliminated.
Germany.
Germany are eliminated.
Oh, that was you all meant like that.
All right, Spain, Espanol, arrivederci. You are eliminated.
Tom, Netherlands.
Netherlands, you are eliminated.
Table. Right, go for it. Portugal.
Portugal, Ronaldo and Bruno, I'm sorry, but you are eliminated. So we're going for 3rd place. Who's going to be 3rd place this World Cup?
I don't know. Netherlands, no. Brazil.
Brazil are 3rd in the World Cup. I might have remembered where they were, I don't care, but I want to eliminate them. Back to the Copacabana beach for you guys. It's not really a bad thing, let's be fair.
Oh.
So the 2026 World Cup final, as predicted by Squad Quads, is Argentina versus England. It's a repeat of the Falklands. Probably better not say that, but I did. Oops. Let's go.
This one. Not missed. Netherlands again. Portugal. Barely, no, like nearly no one was.
We have touched the Argentinian flag, which means they are the runners-up in this World Cup. I'll see you guys in a second. Well, that's it. The official Squad Quad sweepstake, as done by the Beta FPV Air 75, has yielded an incredible performance by the England national team against Argentina. It was one hell of a battle in the final, but thanks to the Uncle Sam hat, England will win the 2026 World Cup final. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.